The key Domino know-how in this product is inbuilt inside each of these print heads, and there's three key iTech features. CleanCap enables operators to maintain all the print heads on a Domino N610i within less than 1 minute. There is over 47,000 nozzles, 18 print heads on a 5-colour Domino N610i press. CleanCap ensures the heads are maintained when not in use, and when being prepared to start printing, within 1 minute all those print heads, all those nozzles are cleaned in one simple, single, consistent operation, delivering the highest level of uptime. %10 of the jobs are white in today's printing market. Therefore, for 90% of the time, the white heads are likely not going to be used. By having the heads on a separate slide rail, we can have the heads parked in the capped position where they're protected and safe, enabling the 4-colour printing to continue. Again, delivering the most consistent uptime and reliability with this product.